Video on Highoh reusable cloth pads. So these are them. I just got them in a package. So this is how the package came. I never heard of reusable pads. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I never saw one like a cloth pad. That's like, I don't know. I just want to try it out, and I can't wait to like see if they actually like I want to know if they actually like feel good, or like how do these feel. Like, I want to know, because it's like, this is how it looks. I'm gonna be giving you guys the most honest opinion. I'm not gonna fake nothing. I'm giving you guys the most honest opinion on these. So first off, this is how it looks. It has gray for the padding side, and it has black for the back side, and it says Highoh. That is their site. And then it has a little snappy, and let me see. So basically, like, I guess when you like done with the pad, you like close it. Once you're done with it, you fold it. Yep, that's how you do it. And then that's why they have this little bag right here. They have this little baggie. They have this little bag that comes with it. It says Highoh, and it has a little like thing in case you're out in public, I think. What you do basically after you're done using the pad and you wrap it up, you lay it right inside there with the rest of it. I'm gonna do a daily update every day to show you guys how it's going or how I think it feels. Cloth pads, and I never saw this in my life, guys. Like, literally, it was my first time ever leaving the house since Corona has hit, and I was like so excited to get out of the house that I forgot that I was wearing these cloth pads and was trying them out. And I didn't know if it was like gonna be secure or not. Like what if I bleed through like while I'm outside while wearing these pads? And I was so happy to leave the house that I didn't even like, I forgot that I had them on. Like, I ain't gonna lie though, like when I have them on, it don't feel like nothing's there. Honestly, it feels like nothing is there. They ended up doing well for me. They ended up being that for me. Like, nothing came through. I was good. I got home. I was cordial. Everything was good. And then I got home, changed into another one. Bye.